Welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Outrigger Kona Resort and Spa on the Big Island of Hawaii. This resort is situated on the lava rocks along the Kona coast, in a beautiful setting for the Big Island. When you think of the Big Island, don't think about tropical beaches, as you will be disappointed. Think about the majestic lava fields instead, as the setting on this island is so very different from the other Hawaiian islands, and different in a great way. The resort overlooks the water crashing against the lava rocks, and at night, tours bring their boats and anchor just off the lava rocks for an incredible show that happens after the sun goes down. The boats all shine lights into the ocean water, attracting the manta rays to the surface. The tourists on the boat tours then climb into the water with snorkel gear to view the manta rays. The hotel has a viewing deck so that you can see the action, or if you are lucky enough to have a room overlooking this area, you can view the mantas from your balcony. Returning guests know to bring binoculars to get the best sighting of these magnificent sea creatures. If you're really adventurous, you can join one of the tours and get in the water yourself. So the natural setting of this 22-acre property is beautiful. How about the resort itself? I am a big fan of the Outrigger properties, and they do a great job putting money back into their resorts through renovations and upgrades. They announced a $250 million renovation budget to be spent between this property and their Ohana Waikiki East property. Renovations at the Outrigger Kona have already started on one of the hotel's buildings. The newly renovated rooms in this building will be available for guest occupancy from November 1, 2023 forward. The next building will then be closed and renovated until all 4 buildings have been completed. After all of the hotel rooms are ready for occupancy, I would expect that the public areas would be updated as well, as they are dated and need a refresh. Construction nuisance and noise can be expected until the entire project is done. When complete, I anticipate the property will be stunning, as they have done a fabulous job recently renovating the Outrigger Reef and Outrigger Beachcomber on Waikiki Beach. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. This really helps us continue providing new and varied content on the Hawaiian Islands, which is our favorite topic. If you travel before renovations are complete, you will still find a nice resort, as the property has good bones. There are 2 swimming pools, which include a family swimming pool with a giant slide and a quieter adult pool. There is a full gym, tennis courts, and a full-service spa available to guests as well. There are 2 places to eat on the property, an all-day dining restaurant and a pool cafe. No fine dining is available here yet, but perhaps after renovations, a new outlet might come in. If not, it's always nice to get outside of the resort and explore the local dining scene. The room types here are typical, with choices ranging from garden view rooms, partial ocean and oceanfront rooms, as well as suites. If you get a club room or a suite, you will have access to the Outrigger's private lounge. Voyager 47. Voyager 47 serves a buffet breakfast in the morning, which includes tropical fruit, bagels, scrambled eggs, breakfast meats, and potatoes. Coffee, tea, juices, and water are also served. In the evening, there are appetizers available, such as poke bowls and cheese and meat trays. A complimentary bar is also available in the lounge for a 2-hour period, serving craft beers, wine, and a limited selection of tropical cocktails. Depending on rates at the time you book, the upcharge for including Voyager 47 Club Lounge access can be as little as $60 per room per night, which, given the food prices in Hawaii, is a stellar deal. If staying on this property, I would suggest getting the Club Lounge access room, as long as the upcharge for this room is no more than $125 for a room with double occupancy. If you are a family traveling with 4 people in your room, like a couple with 2 children, then the deal is even that much better, as it is providing food and drinks for 4 people instead of 2. So would I recommend this resort? I would, but I would book a renovated room to get full enjoyment out of my vacation. These rooms will be available starting November 1, 2023 onward. Also, I would ask exactly which building is under renovation to make sure your room is not near the area they are renovating. This is a 4-star property, and you should expect to pay less for it than other 4-star properties while it is under renovation. They have deals available on their website that can reduce the room rates by about 25% if you book direct. After renovations are complete, we will be back with an updated video showing you the completed property and review the new and improved Outrigger Kona Resort and Spa. Until then, mahalo and see you next week with another amazing video featuring the Hawaiian Islands.